Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, you'll learn how to write a hardship letter for loan modification. This letter is a formal request sent to your mortgage lender explaining the financial difficulties that are preventing you from making your regular mortgage payments. You're writing to the loan servicing department of your mortgage company. Include their name and full mailing address just as it appears in your mortgage statements. Clearly state the subject as a request for loan modification due to financial hardship so they immediately understand the purpose of your letter. After that, write, I am writing to request a loan modification due to serious financial hardship. After losing my job and facing unexpected medical expenses, I am struggling to keep up with my monthly mortgage payments. I am committed to staying in my home and I am seeking a reduced payment plan that better matches my current income. I have been actively searching for new employment and making every effort to manage my limited resources. While I continue working toward financial recovery, I kindly request your assistance in reviewing my situation and offering any available loan modification options to help me avoid foreclosure. Sincerely, your name. Here's our sample hardship letter for loan modification. You'll notice how it clearly explains the financial challenges faced by the borrower and expresses their commitment to resolving the situation. The letter helps ensure honest and effective communication during a difficult financial period. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective letters.